हेलो एवरीवन। जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि जो आईपीसी है अब नया बन गया है भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023 इसके नाम से इसको जाना जाएगा। तो इसके जो सेक्शंस हैं वो मैं आपको थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ। जो 1 2 से लेकर के मतलब जितने भी सेक्शंस हैं उनको एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। सेक्शन 1 के अंदर काफ़ी क्लॉजेस दिए गए हैं। मेनली जो इसमें एक्सप्लेन किया गया है शॉर्ट टाइटल कमेंसमेंट एंड द एप्लीकेशन के बारे में। सेक्शन 2 में बहुत सारे क्लॉजेज हैं जिसमें जेंडर, नंबर, मैन, वुमन, पर्सन, पब्लिक, पब्लिक सर्वेंट, गवर्नमेंट, जज, कोर्ट, पब्लिक सर्वेंट, मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी, wrongful गेन, गेनिंग wrongfully, लूजिंग wrongfully, डिसऑनेस्टली, फ्रॉडेंटली, रीज़न टू बिलीव, ये सारे, और काउंटर फिट डॉक्यूमेंट, वैल्यूएबल सिक्योरिटी, विल एक्ट के बारे में एक्सप्लेन किया है। सेक्शन 3 के अंदर जनरल एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड एक्सप्रेशंस दिए गए हैं। सेक्शन 4 में पनिशमेंट दिया गया है। सेक्शन 5 के अंदर क्यूमिटेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस ऑफ डेथ और इम्प्रिजनमेंट फॉर लाइफ। 6 के अंदर फ्रैक्शन ऑफ टर्म्स ऑफ पनिशमेंट। सेक्शन 7 के अंदर सेंटेंस में भी मतलब अगर देखें सर्टेन केसेस ऑफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट में होली और पार्टली राइग्रस और सिंपल। 8 में अमाउंट ऑफ फाइन, लायबिलिटी इन द डिफॉल्ट ऑफ पेमेंट ऑफ द फाइन। 9 में लिमिट ऑफ द पनिशमेंट ऑफ द ऑफेंस मेड अप ऑफ द सेवरल ऑफेंसेस। सेक्शन 10 punishment of the person guilty of one of several offenses, the judgment stating that it is doubtful of which. Section 11 solitary confinement. Section 12 limit of the solitary confinement. Section 13 enhanced punishment for the certain offenses after previous conviction. Section 14 act done by a person bound or by mistake of fact believing himself bound by law. Section 15 act of judge when acting judicially. Section 16 act done pursuant to the judgment or order of the court. 17 act done by a person justified or by mistake of fact believing himself justified by law. 18 accident in doing a lawful act. 19 act likely to cause harm but done without criminal intent and to prevent other harm. 20 the act of child under 7 years of age. 21 act of a child above 7 and under 12 of immature understanding. 22 act of a person of unsound mind. 23 act of a person incapable of judgment by a region of intoxication caused against his will. 24 offense requiring a particular intent or knowledge committed by one who is intoxicated. 25 act not intended and not known to be likely to cause death or grievous hurt done by consent. 26 act not intended to cause death done by consent in good faith for person's benefit. 27 act done in good faith for benefit of child or person with mental illness by or by consent of guardian. 28 consent known to be given under fear or misconception. 29 exclusion of acts which are offenses independently of harm caused. 30 act done in good faith for benefit of a person without consent. 31 communication made in a good faith. 32 act to which a person compelled by a threats. 33 act causing slight harm. 34 things done in a private defense. 35 right of private defense of the body and of property. 36 right of private defense against the act of a person with mental illness etc. 37 acts against which there is no right of the private defense. 38 when the right of the private defense of the body extends to causing death. 39. When such right extends to causing any harm other than death. 40. Commencement and continuance of the right of private defense of the body. 41. When the right of the private defense of the property extends to causing death. 42. When such right extends to causing any harm other than death. 43. Commencement and continuance of the right of the private defense of the property. 44. Right of private defense against deadly assault when there is a risk of harm to innocent person. 45. Abandonment of thing. 46. Abatter. 47. Abandonment in India of offences outside India. 40. Section 48. A person abates an offence within the meaning of this Sanhita who without and beyond India abates the commission of any act in India which would constitute an offence if committed in India. Section 49. Punishment of abatement if the act abated is committed in consequence and where no express provision is made for its punishment. Section 50. Punishment of abatement if person abated does act with different intention from that of abater. तो ये वाले वीडियो में हमने जो फर्स्ट